This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm at apartment 2612, a one-bedroom in Tower 3, looking north toward the Fulton River District and River North. Panning around for a view across the Kennedy to the great dining and nightlife scene in the West Loop. The rope you see is window washers at work. Turning into a bright living area. Plenty of space for your dining table, your home office desk, and it was great views looking out to the west and the north. Kitchen has a breakfast bar pass-through, classic finish packages. Many of the units here have been updated. You have oak finish cabinets, black appliance package that includes a 4-burner electric range. There's an ice maker in the fridge, stainless steel sink. Looking toward the entryway, bath is off to my right. Tile on the floor, and in the tub surround. Turning into the bedroom. Have a nice sized room, plenty of space for any furniture. It's carpeted, window looking out to the west, and a wall-wide closet. Getting back toward that entryway, different look into the kitchen, and off to your right as you would have walked in, you have a walk-in closet. Shelving, hanging, additional shelving, and the plank flooring that you see throughout the living areas continuing into the closet. Looking at Whole Foods across the way, just one of the attractions to this great location. Presidential Towers has a wide selection of apartments. They're all on the budget-friendly side. Great amenities. Definitely want to have Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.